Hello, welcome once again. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to fold flower. In the last video, we learned how to fold this type of the shape of this flower. We are going to fold the same way, but there is a point where you need to change the style of the flower. At that point, I want to explain the point where you decide the pattern or the shape of your flower. So remember, you have to start with a square shaped paper. You align. When you align, you make sure it doesn't overlap each other. You now crease the end. To nails, if you don't have nails, you can make use of the tip of your scissors for that. Okay, now remember, you have to fold the left to the right. Then you fold, your hands opening now, so you fold this to this side, and this is coming to the other side. Hope you are following. Now when you have this, remember the last time I did it from the other side. Now this time I want to turn it this way. Now you have the longest side. Now the down is, you have two small sides. Now the one that is down, facing downwards, so you want to align this side to this side. Can you see that? It's as simple as that. Then remember, we cut off this, then we open. Now at this point, you remember, this is where we used to draw the pattern that we want the flower to be. So in this case now, we want a heart shape. So people call it love. Loves come from the heart, isn't it? I want to have something like this. Then in our cut. Make sure when you are cutting a curved shape, you turn your paper, okay, so that it can ease you. Alright, so when you get to this point, you can double this up like this, so that it can ease you to now cut the other one, and it will definitely fall into the same size if you lay it on each other like this before cutting. Now, so you can see we have our heart shape. Okay, we have our heart shape. So let's open up and see what we have created. Okay, can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? So this is what it looks like. And note this, remember, this is where we are coming from. I hope you get it. This is where we are coming from. So the deeper this middle goes, okay, Now, when you have your heart shape, the deeper this curve here comes inside the middle, okay, it's also going to determine the look of your flower. All right. This time I want it to go inward. Okay. You see, it's kind of open, more open at the middle. Okay. I want you to see the difference, and you can manipulate this as you like. So when we open, see what we've got. Can you see that? Can you see the deep cut here? You can see that. Okay. So this is another shape of flower. If you want to create this, remember to fold in. So this is another shape of flower. You can see they started the same way, but where you are drawing your pattern to now determine the edges of the flower differentiate each flower from each other. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.